Good evening, 47. Your destination is Sapienza, Italy. Your target is Marco Abbiati, a wealthy businessman returning to his hometown to run for mayor. A snake-tongued, right-wing populist with mafia ties and money to burn, Abbiati is already comfortably ahead in the polls. However, beneath his silk suits, Abbiati is a callous thug, and organized crime is certain to follow in his wake. Our client, the renowned bioengineer Silvio Caruso, sees Abbiati as a threat, not just to his ancestral town, but the entire country, and he has asked us to dispose of this would-be patrician. I will leave you to prepare. Marco Abbiati is throwing a political rally at the beach to gain young voters, and getting close to him unnoticed might prove difficult, so pay attention. Men like Abbiati always have private scores to settle, away from the public eye. Good luck, 47.
Right there. Hold it. Perfect. Love it. Mr. Abbiati, look over here. Yes, wonderful. Great. Got it. Thank you. It is.
We should take a walk on the beach.
Party's all about?
You can say what you want about Abbiati, but he knows how to sell himself. The Sapienza sunset is known to be one of the most beautiful sunsets in all of Italy, and a perfect photo opportunity for Abbiati. Maybe you can fire it up a little more.
Oh, that... silly little thing. Huh. He's a conservative, not a fascist. We left university 20 years ago. Don't you think it's time to drop your communist talk and grow up?
Of course. No concept. Abbiati is a sliming, corrupt moron who only embraces the rich.
But we are well off.
Hey, just because we are well off doesn't mean that we tolerate a class.
Oh, you have no idea how stupid it was.
Oh, God, yes.
He put his hand on her thigh under the table with disabled people at a charity ball.
Oh, I don't believe that. I met Mr. Abbiati once in church and he was such a
Oh, shit. Huh.
You with the stage crew? Okay, cool, man.
Stage is looking good. Good job.
That looks like a false alarm.
buy springs, build factories, and sell water. No, haha, it is not a human right.
Got it, thank you. Mille grazie, bella.
I can't even begin to tell you how much I despise this man, Abbiati.
Stay in the stage area, please.
That's funny.
Let's go.
I got the impression that you and him got on.
Oh, that's Abbiati.
That is your target, Marco Abbiati.
Keeping it real. Hey, you. No stage crew in here, okay? Thank you. Hey. Distance.
Don't listen to me anyway. Talk too much.
That's not even possible, senor. Never.
Stage is looking awesome.
Of course, senor. Just take as long as you
Live a little, right? Shall we make do with those?
Hello. Well, so good to talk to you, and I'm so happy that your paper went. All of my and I'm like, no.
Huh?
Big of a dream, right? It even says so in the disclaimer in our emails. Please don't print this. Think of the king. Yeah, no, just kidding. We also have an electric outlet.
Huh?
What the hell was that?
Beautiful. Give it up for Cinque Trieti, ladies and gentlemen. But now, for the Sapienza's finest, the man who wants to put you back on the map, Marco Abbiati.
Hey there, camera guy.
Hey, are the cables secured?
What do you mean?
Oh, grazie. You are all so kind.
Look, if the cables aren't secure and if water comes on stage,
Yeah, you told me.
Wine?
You told me. Fatal
Italian.
electric
Italian, like the
boogaloo.
food. If you like the food.
You know, it wasn't even funny the first time you said it.
just make sure that
Italian.
everything's safe, okay? I don't need any accidents today.
Lower taxes, lower taxes. Keeping this fair town the way it should be. Beautiful, beautiful.
Hey, cameraman, how's it going?
Excuse me? Jeez.
For Italy, you think?
What a man. I mean, we should thank him for such a lovely evening, yeah?
Mr. Abbiati, I'm ready for your shot. Down at the pier. So please.
Okay, let's get going.
Well done, 47. Vanity is a fickle thing, but I'm sure fireworks are equally so.
Here we go.
What's with the camera up there? What? Is he scared people are gonna steal his campaign poster?
Marcello, you ready? Good. Oh, God. Okay. How do I look?
You look snazzy.
Down. Now head towards an exit.
Looks like the pier is all clear, sir. Over.
I know what you mean.
Excellent work, 47. The money has been wired to your account.